How to see someone's likes on Facebook. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily see someone's likes on Facebook. So if you want to follow someone's likes or their post on Facebook, then all you have to do is just come over to any of their posts and just click on this three dot icon over here. And if you see the option to follow or prioritize or even add to favorites types of option, then you can click on it. But if you don't find such option, then click on this save post, or you can also click on this turn on notification for this post. So what it does is it basically tells your Facebook algorithm to show more from this post. That means you prioritize, or Facebook prioritizes this person's post for you, so you can see this person's likes or notifications or any other activities under your notifications. So you can also choose to come over to their profile and actually see what they have liked or what they have commented on by simply visiting their profile as well. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to channel. See you on the next one.